Get ready for a flavor explosion with McPhilix Foods, your go-to destination for the crispiest and most delicious plantain chips. McPhilix Foods, we take pride in serving you the best locally made snacks crafted with passion and bursting with Guinean goodness. Indulge in our premium plantain chips, available in a variety of mouth-watering options. Whether you love the crispiness of unripe plantain chips, the sweetness of ripe plantain chips, we've got it all. Planning for a party or just want to take a stock up for a snack-filled week? McPhilix Food offers bulk purchases that fit every occasion. Ooh, and that's not all. McPhilix Foods caters to distributors and wholesalers, opening up for a fantastic business opportunity, especially for the youth looking to purchase and sell on the street. Our plantain chips are available in various packaging, including the convenient resealable pouch design. So visit us at the American House, East Legon, Accra, for enquiries, retailing, and unbeatable deals. McPhilix Foods, savor the crunch, taste the tradition. Your snack adventure begins here.
This advert is FDA approved.